Hello everyone, today we have 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. It's right here. So we have the car being in crash and we have a lot of issues and we cannot even start the car. After the investigation I found some wire for the doors, and of course I changed the wire harness for the door because the old door is different. So we have some short. I will give you an update for what we found. We have a lot of trouble code for that's right here, Honda Accord Hybrid 2021, the VIN number. So we have a lot of lost communications and we have everything connected, which we check for short, but hopefully after we changing the dashboard we get the new one. We have the new one right here. I will keep you posted and I will let you know what I did just to get this car running. Stay with me. All right, wait for the second part. Hello everyone. So the Honda, after we checking all the wires for missing CAN bus, we got it wrong finally. So I will show you what I did. It was showing all this code 0614, and still the car has a crash right here, and as we said before it's 221, right? And we still have the door and the seat back, right? So you can use your lunch or you can use your IDS if you have it, and you're gonna go over here for power control module, electronic powertrain, and hit yes. And once you have this, you have to go over here and code. So make sure this is gonna be 0, and then you're gonna clear this. Once you have this done, you're gonna have the car start right up. Now the car is running, and before we have to check the wire and the CAN bus for the CAN gateway and another CAN gateway. So everything is good. We just need to clear the powertrain module. Okay, see you next one. Thank you.